two-bedroom unit here in Kilimani, and it is on sale for 11.8 million Kenya shillings only. The size is 118 square meters, and the rental income is 130,000 Kenya shillings per month. It has an open plan kitchen, a dining room, sitting room, laundry area, 2 toilets, that is one within the master bedroom and the shared toilet, of course. It also has a study room. The study area you can also convert into another bedroom if you like. And it has a very wide balcony which is accessible from the sitting room and from the bedroom, from the master bedroom. The balcony area is actually very wide. You can have your guest here. You can have recreational activity just at the balcony area. Let's have a look at this unit. We are here at the balcony for the 2-bedroom unit at the heart of Kilimani. The selling price for this apartment is 11.8 million Kenya shillings. The units are ready, so of course you only need to do cash. The cash can be spread within a time span of up to 3 months. At the balcony area, you can see it is very wide. Actually, this to my right, this is the master and suite bedroom. So you can access this balcony from the bedroom, and when you walk in front, now this is another bedroom. You can actually access the balconies from the master bedroom, from this other bedroom. This to my right, this is another bedroom, and this is the balcony. You can access the balcony. And beyond now, this is the sitting room area. The balcony is also accessible from the sitting room area. All this is balcony area, very wide. You can host guests here. You can have an activity going on here from both bedrooms, giving you the maximum privacy that you want while in this unit. So I'm going to proceed to the sitting room area from the balcony area. Let's just have a look and see. And now we are at the sitting room area. As you can see, you have your L-shaped couch here. You have the provision for the TV there. But of course, this stuff has been mounted here. You can use as a bookshelf, but you can choose to plug it out and mount your TV there. It comes with a very nice TV stand. And now this to this side, now this is the dining room area, the dining area rather. And you have a dining table there with 4 sets of seats. And now to that side now is where we have the main entrance. This is the main entrance actually. And there are digital locks, meaning you can access through the code. You just need to insert the code and gain access to the room. And now to my left, this is where you have the kitchen. It is a kitchen that gives you the maximum privacy that you need. And while at the kitchen, now you find your way to the laundry area. The laundry area is this other side, which is also very wide. And you can see this is a very wide environment. Even if you are to put your laundry machine there, you still have a lot of space here for if you want to put additional storage facilities there. And you have the water area, the sink area there for purified water, and the tap water can be used to clean utensils and other items. And now this is the path leading to the bedrooms. And the bedrooms, as you can see, this is one of the bedrooms. This is the common bedrooms. This is a 2-bedroom unit. 2-bedroom unit on sale for 11.8 million Kenya shillings. This is one of the bedrooms. Bedrooms, as we started, this is the balcony area, the other side, and then you have your closet this side. Closet, this is a walk-in closet. You just need to slide and store all the items that you want. Slide this other side, store all the items that you want. The bed here, this is a 5x6 bed, but of course, if you have a 6x6, this space is still large enough to accommodate that. The wooden tiling has been done, of course, to maintain the temperature of the room. And as you go to this side now, this is now where you have the washroom area on my left, and you have the study area the other side. And now the master is just right here. The master, there's a beautiful unit. The master, as you come this side, you have the shower area, of course, modern shower, as they do currently. Then you have your sink area there with a beautiful mirror and the toilet just right next to it. And of course, the space is just good. Wooden tiling in the units. You have now the closet area, of course, sliding closet, or walk-in closet rather, and a beautiful cabinet, bedside tables with drawers for more storage provisions. and you have this beautiful chandeliers here. And yeah, the amazing thing is in fact, today we have chosen to do these videos without the lighting, to just show you that you don't need to rely electricity every time you are in these units. Ventilation that has been done by the developers here is just amazing. You don't need to rely on electricity, just save on the cost of steamer while in these units during the day. It is amazing, it is beautiful. Yeah, and that is it for this unit. For any comment, any question, please let's meet at the comment section. And if interested, call WhatsApp that number of the screen. I'll reach out to you and help you get to the site, see these units, and get a unit for yourself. Keep it a covered. My name is Bob. Until next time, bye bye.